First, you must clear the table of unnecessary items. Find the correct drill bit for the project you are doing and insert it into the chuck. Then you must gauge the depth of how deep you want the drill to go. You should pull the lever to your right down and slowly back up. Then you must secure the piece of wood with the clamps. To turn on the drill, you will press the green button.
Make sure the light is on.
As you can see, the drill is on, and you will pull the lever to your right downwards slowly. Remember to keep your hands out of the brown box area. Then let the lever go back up slowly. Turn off the machine and unclamp the pieces of wood. Then you will pick up the vacuum behind the machine and vacuum up the excess bits of sawdust.